loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl again, Miriam, and you are welcome to the channel. If you're new here, hello there. Do consider being part of the family by hitting your subscription button and also turning on your notification bell. So let's get straight into today's video. I'm going to be showing you how I make my clove hair mask for massive hair growth. So mostly I use this as a pre-poo, and you can try it too. So I'm starting off with clove powder. Now I made this on my own rather. So I just got clove sticks and then I blended them. That's how I came up with the clove powder. So I just got a reasonable amount of the clove powder and placed it in my glass bowl. And then I added my hair growth oil, the herbal hair growth oil, to it. And then I thoroughly mixed it. Now, cloves has a lot of benefits for hair. It strengthens your hair, it helps your hair grow, and it also helps to nourish it. So in case you have not tried cloves before, this is your chance to do, because trust me, your hair is going to love it. And my hair has become thick because of using the cloves. Next, I'm going in with my honey, because honey helps to also nourish the hair. I don't like when I use a hair mask and then my hair becomes too dry. So honey helps with that, and it also helps add more shine to the hair. That's the reason why I went in with honey. There are also other nice benefits of honey on the hair. So I'll write that in the description box, and if you're interested, make sure to go and check it out in my description box. So I kept on mixing this together until everything was the same consistency. So after that, I got my glass bowl and placed it in boiling water. I let it sit in that big plastic bowl that had boiling water. I let it sit so that it can warm up a little bit before applying it to my hair. So I let it sit for like 15 to 20 minutes until my mask was all heated up. It wasn't scorching hot, but it all heated up. And yes, so I waited for like 15 minutes. Then after 15 minutes, I was back, and then I used my wig cap to sieve out the residue. Now, other people are okay placing the residue on their hair, but I don't have the patience to sit and remove each and every residue of clove on my hair once I'm done washing it. That's the reason why I always sieve out the residue and just go in with the sieved mask. So if you want, you can go and apply it on the rest of your hair just the way it is. But if you're like me, a lazy natural, then sis, you have to sieve those particles out, otherwise they will get stuck in your hair, and it takes a lot of time to make sure that you get rid of each and every one of them. So I just went in, squeezed. Yes, I squeezed the mask out, and what I heard is what I used on my hair. Now, if you're not yet subscribed at this point, hey sis, hey there, why until you're subscribed? Make sure that you hit the subscription button, turn on your notification bell, give this video a big thumbs up, comment below, share, and yes, let's get interacting, become part of the family. So back to the video. So after squeezing everything, that's what I heard. And by the way, this was just for demonstration. I had more clove, I had more clove mask somewhere, so that's just for the demonstration. But I had already soaked the clove powder in the hair growth oil and the honey, so I went and mixed it together. That's why you see that here it looks a lot. So that's what I had after everything, and the mask is rich with a lot of nutrients, and your hair is going to love it. So how I apply this, I just part my hair into sections, apply it on my scalp, massage it on my scalp, and then go in on the rest of my hair strands.